afternoon, myself Bhavita Sharma, a member of Suraj Group of Education. Today, in this video, I will teach you the lesson Fair Play of Class 6th NCERT book Honeysuckle, and the writer of this lesson is Premchand. Premchand was a very legend writer who wrote many books like Godan, Gaban, Nirmala, Hiramoti, and etc. So today we will I will teach you about the lesson Fair Play. This is a very famous story about the friendship. There were two friends in a village, Alku Chaudhary and Jumman Sheikh. They were very best friends. They have a good bonding between themselves. Even the bonding is that even when a single friend went out from the village, the other one will take care of of his family. So once Juman Sheikh's aunt came to him, who was an old lady, and she has a property. Juman Sheikh decided to let him be in his house and take care of her. But after few years, they treated badly to the old lady, whom he called Chachi. The old lady was very much upset, and she go to the panchayat. There she nominated Alku Chaudhary as the head punch. The Juman Sheikh was very much happy, and he hid his happiness because he know very well that it means Alku Chaudhary never go against him. But when Alku Chaudhary was at the seat of head panchayat, head punch, he didn't let even the seat of the justice didn't let him go against his justice, or he didn't care of his friendship. It means Alku Chaudhary give justice to the old lady and announced to give him monthly allowance and to his chachi, Juman Sheikh's chachi. So Juman Sheikh was very much upset and get annoyed, and he was their bonding was break out, or they have no friendship now. After some years or some days goes, there was another case in the panchayat, whom Juman Sheikh was nominated at the head punch of that case. In that case, he decided to take revenge against Alku Chaudhary because the case was against Alku Chaudhary. But God is the voice of truth, और truth is the voice of God. जो सच्चाई होती है वो ईश्वर की आवाज होती है, उसे हम नकार नहीं सकते किसी भी तरह से. इसी तरह से जब वो अपनी उसकी सीट पर बैठता है, when he sat on the seat of head punch, he realized that Alku Chaudhary was right at that time when he was in front of Chachi, or at that case. He give justice in favor of Alku Chaudhary. It means he was unable to go against the justice. Then he realized that the seat of the justice, the seat of the head punch, is very important. It doesn't matter whether the friendship or the enemy. At last, Alku Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh become friends again, and they both realize that friendship is not more than the justice. I think you all got it. The writer is Premchand, the legend writer. Thank you. Have a nice day.